pride and honor, I would like to welcome you to the Tribune of Passion and Innovation, the Consuelo M. Valderrama National High School. Offering a friendly environment to its primary clientele, this school has been a training ground for young individuals with immense aspirations, potentials in various fields, and love for learning. This institution has served as an avenue for each learner to self-discovery, character building, knowledge acquisition, and self-grounding.
Consuelo M. Valderrama National High School continues to emerge in its quest to become one of the elusive gems of global competitiveness and educational advancement in the Golden Province of Compostela Valley. It started its humble beginnings in the year 1995, and its rich historical background can be traced back as it was then the Ateneo de Davao University branch located at the heart of the renowned Valderrama compound, Valma Ngan, Municipality of Compostela. With keen observance to the school-based management components, Consuelo M. Valderrama National High School puts its best foot forward to meet the basic necessities required for public education providers in common areas such as leadership and governance, curriculum and learning, accountability and continuous improvement, and management of resources. Leadership and governance. CMVNHS is gearing up to provide effective services through employing operative managerial skills which will eventually reflect on the totality of the school functions. Through the creation of the pool of teacher writers and paper developers, the formation of the school's school improvement plan and annual implementation plan was made into realization. The school improvement plan serves as a roadmap that lays down specific development that a school, with the help of the community and other stakeholders, will undertake within a period of 3 consecutive school years. Programs and activities are made realized through employing various leadership approaches. This means that the school is not considerate to one single style only, for it further adheres to the idea of embracing diversity to further serve its clientele with different needs and learning styles at the same time. The key is the idea of transforming individuals become more responsible and useful in the community. Stakeholders, parents, and local government units also played a very important role in making all the school programs serviceable to its constituents. Their presence as keen and dynamic support system is essentially worthwhile. Curriculum and learning. As an advocate of the 21st century education, the school adheres to the constructivist, inquiry-based method of teaching and learning where students can be able to learn by doing. Tangible learning is said to be infused once students are given first-hand experiences on the content being taught. This has been proved by student performances in various competitions, both local and higher meets. The school have been sending competitive participants in speech and stage arts, quiz bowls, and other extracurricular activities. One of the programs that the school continues to strengthen is sports, as it has been sending quality players in provincial and regional levels. Academics is also being emphasized as it targets to hit a significant increase of result in the National Achievement Test. As beneficiary of the DepEd computerization program, one of the school's directive is to strengthen the ICT integration in instruction as it aims to make its students become technology-oriented in order to meet the high demands of the world. Accountability and continuous improvement. CMVNHS is indeed very fortunate to be surrounded with generous support system, both internal and external. Thus, their presence are given huge importance through recognition and acknowledgement. The school is also active in participating various community involvement programs such as tree planting, fun run, community outreach undertakings, and other related activities spearheaded by the LGU and other community organizations. Part of the school's accountability is to give updated reporting of students' progress in academics. Through the conduct of regular meetings, parents are well informed about their students' behaviors and academic performance. The school report card is a blueprint of the school's results in various operations. Reflected in such report is the actual improvement and movement of the institution based on the mandate of the Department of Education. It also includes school projects as stipulated in the School Improvement Plan. Management of resources. As a public secondary school, its main finance provider is from the school's MOOE. CMVNHS is proud to say that for the current school year, we reached a 100% liquidation with proper attachments. These funds are used for numerous school projects, both operational and physical. These items are properly presented to school personnel and stakeholders through a transparency board to ensure limpidity and clearness.
Adherence to the K-12 program, the school offers both complete junior high school and senior high school program with course offerings such as bread and pastry production, food and beverage services, cookery under the Tickbook livelihood track, and bookkeeping under the general academic strand.
Finally, Consuelo M. Valderrama National High School will continue to soar high and will always live out its legacy as a venue of formal education in its local community. Guided with ADepED's vision, mission, and core values, the school will continuously seek for better options and will take on a good flight to further serve the community as the tribune of passion and innovation.